Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is April 18th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at this quarterly chart. Maximize this chart. Maximize, zoom in here. Quarterly chart. What we're still seeing here is a red candle. We're getting like this evening star, big time evening star. If that get a confirmation, we may break this level here, but we identified a level where we kind of expect the market to stay above, and so far it came down to that level and kissed it and bounced. And it's back above a support 1 level, but we're still under pivot. I do sometimes before the end of the year to get back above pivot. I don't know what's going to happen to make that happen, but that's kind of like what I kind of expect. But we can come down here and test this again before that actually happens, and we can actually break this level before that actually happens. We just got to wait and see what's going to happen here. I don't know why I'm going there. But right now, let's go down to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, what we see here, we are still below that 9-10 moving average. Nothing's changed much. That's this right here. That gave us, technically, we are now in a bear market. We came down to our level where we expected to come to, just above a support 3 level right here. And we've gotten a pretty good bounce and that's pretty much all we can see here at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to our weekly chart and see what we see there on this weekly chart. Let's zoom in here just a little bit like that, and I don't know why I zoomed in so much. I'm going the wrong direction. And let's bring that down like that. The thing on this week, what I'm we came almost down to last week. We almost came down to the 200 and got a pretty good bounce, and that's where you kind of expect the bounce. And also my support 3, and we had our zone that we had identified. So that was, a lot of things lined up to give us a pretty good bounce. Although some crazy news and something crazy happened in the market, but it seems like things always some event comes in to, validate what you were saying going to happen on the chart. It's kind of funny to some of us, how things work out, But the big thing is right now we are on the pivot, so I kind of expect us to stay on the pivot. We also had this little consolidation here before the market actually dropped So that's the whole thing here. So this is the weekly, so these should be monthly pivots. So this month, I don't expect, us to actually break this level up here. When I say this level up here, I am still talking about this level here and this line right here. We have to kind of like just wait and see. We already got a red candle. We couldn't get above this supply here. One of the things here, though, we did, I didn't expect us to break last week high. We did almost get to last week high, and then we pushed back. We opened up here, and then all we did was then push back down, looking at it here on this weekly chart on the Dow. And that's pretty much what I see there. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and see what we see there and wrap this on up on this daily chart. Zoom, 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 zoom in here. And as we can see, this is on the Dow. The Dow played a little bit closer to the top of this previous week candle than the rest of them did. It got up here and then it kind of rolled over. It gave us a first day of the week. It was a 4-day week, holiday week. We had got a bullish engulfing. We got confirmation, but a red confirmation. You don't like red confirmations and all. And then after that red confirmation, all you did was you got this rollover, and then even this is a doji that I didn't even, well, this was last week. We got the gap up, and then we got, rollover. And this is the doji here today. The thing here on the Dow, though, this is going to come up our next week pivot. We're going to be opening below this pivot, look like, unless there's something crazy happens over the weekend and we gap up and we open up above this pivot, this white line here, and this market can maybe start going higher. If not, expect to slip down, who knows how far. And that's all I really want to have to say here on this Dow. So hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye. Right Side Trader here. Later.